Calificas para ser legal. ¿Quieres saber? Solo llama al abogado Andrés Mejer.
So now I want to talk about the third subject, because we got a lot of questions about this also. TPS, was it extended? Was it not? DACA, what's going on? I lump them together. They're not the same, but they're in a similar situation. What do I mean by that is Trump was elected into office and he decided, let me throw out all the immigrants. So even though there's about 2 million with TPS and DACA with employment authorization that have been here for 10 years or more, that pay taxes, that work here, that have bought homes, have kids, even though they have all of that and they have no crimes, because if they have criminal conduct, they lose their DACA, they lose their TPS. So these are people that did the right thing. Those are the ones that I'm going to throw out. That's what Trump has tried to do. Now, there's a slightly different scenario in each of them. For TPS, that is statutory. Trump can't eliminate it. What he did is say the Department of State gets to decide what countries get temporary protective status for a period of time. Well, what he did is say, look, the conditions like a hurricane or the earthquake or the Civil War, those circumstances no longer exist. And because those circumstances no longer exist, those immigrants can now go back to their country. So terminate TPS, goodbye over 1 million in immigrants. I'm only exaggerating the number, not the severity of what he's doing. That's exactly what he's done. On DACA, it's a different story because that's not statutory. That wasn't passed by Congress and approved by the president. That was created by executive order under President Obama, and different order by a different executive, Trump, wants to eliminate it. In both circumstances, there are federal court judges that said, hold on a second, something about what you did is not right. And I, federal judge, am gonna stop you, Trump, from doing what you tried to do here because it violates the law. So that's the background. Now, talking about TPS. Great news for TPS holders. El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, Sudan were all extended to January 4th, 2021. Hey, that's awesome. You get an extra year. Why? How did this happen? Well, several judges granted injunctions stopping Trump from saying it's now safe to go back. So while those injunctions are still valid, DHS, Department of Homeland Security, is going to extend TPS. However, if the government wins those lawsuits, the ending of those programs will take place in 120 days. So this is good news for now, but it's only a temporary solution to an existing problem. Don't wait. Find out if you have other options today. Call us to see if you qualify for a no-cost consultation. So once again, thank you so much for watching today. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. And I look forward to answering more of your questions next week.